My name is Peter Brouillard. I'm a physical therapist. I was 29 when I decided to make the transition from veterinary technician. Wanted to do something further, so I got my doctorate. I'm a strength conditioning specialist in exercise physiology, and a big part of what I do is try and help people facilitate better movement, which generally tends to decrease pain and increase their function over time. Basically helping their cardiovascular endurance, helping their muscular strength, helping their balance, the ability to support themselves under various loads. And if I say, oh, if you just position your hips here or your knees here, and I show them how to move their bodies better, and all of a sudden they have less pain, and you can do that instantly, that's pretty gratifying. But do it in a way that's going to facilitate their rehabilitation goals as well. If I'm not having fun, you're not having fun. And so, I try to get the most out of people by just being myself, enjoying my time with you, and using the expertise that I have to help you reach your goals as well. Giving them the tools to help them help themselves is what patients appreciate the most.